Hello everyone, this is Supercell EAS here, along with
Recon.
The M12.
EAS Torcon 100 will also be participating in this unboxing, but his microphone died, so...
RIP.
Yeah, but anyway.
EAS Torcon 100's microphone. Question mark to January 14th, 2021.
There it is.
Alright, there. Alright, let's get this thing open, shall we? What Sanjin Claus gave to us today. Alright.
Oh, okay. December 25th, 2020.
Alright. So, inside the box are these things. And some bubble wrap. And
Oh boy, I bet you always wanted wrap.
okay. You guys ready to see what I got?
And boy, when you get
You guys ready to see what I got?
Let's see it.
let's see it. I bet you it's gonna be another radio I've never heard of.
Let me see.
Oh my god, the Eton Weather Tracker FR800. I own that. I own that.
This is the Eton Weather Tracker FR800. Wow, dang, that's huge. Yes, okay, so this is my hands right here. This is how big it is.
That's what she said. Beautiful.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful.
Review on that on the weather trackers though.
Yeah.
So where did you get it from?
Oh, I got it from eBay.
Oh, nice.
So I got it for like $20-something.
Microphone, so now you guys can...
Right.
As his viewers know, I own one as I showed it off.
Yeah. This is the one radio that takes 3D batteries.
Yeah, they take D batteries, 3 of them.
Yeah. I bet we have some somewhere. Let me see. Oh, I also have an additional adapter. I have an adapter with me. I'll have to see where the heck to plug
I
it
use the
in.
adapter from my Zone Guard and have my Zone Guard battery powered.
Oh, you know what? That's a good idea, because at the same time, it also uses the same... Oh, you know I also do have batteries in the Zone Guard, so... You know what? Let's do this.
Yeah, Torcon, your mic's on.
Yeah, I have to unplug my microphone.
Oh yeah, rip your microphone.
Yeah.
Rip his microphone.
We see what Supercell got? He has a radio I own. The Weather Tracker FR800.
Right here.
I saw. It looks
Oh yeah, I own one.
Alright. I might move...
I own one because...
Alright, so let's move up here to where all my radios are, and we are going to plug in
So it's pretty much
this
similar to
radio right
solar,
here, which is huge.
it's not a crank radio, it's more of an actual weather radio than a crank
Alright, let's see if it powers on.
treating your iPhone earbuds better because
I apologize for the shaky camera. My phone is an iPhone 6s Plus. Oh wow. Okay, there you go. Here's the Zone Guard for you. No, not the Zone Guard. The Weather Tracker. Apparently, it came with some dead segments, but we'll have to see if we'll set it up. This did not come with a manual or separate AC adapters, so...
Yeah, you got yours used? So did I.
Yeah, I got mine used with a couple of segments burnt out, but I bet I'll make it work.
I got mine used as well, so I can totally relate.
Oh. Here's the antenna. See if it gets the weather.
I might as well overview mine. Of course, on mine I have everything enabled. So of course setting it up is just like the...
Okay, where's the volume up button?
Something like FR800.
45 miles an hour. Becoming 60 miles an hour overnight.
Menuing is somewhat different.
Sunny. 78.
I bet you the same thing applies with the FR5.
There. It could get KIG78 pretty good. Let's see the menu functions. You have to turn on the power button. Let's see the menu. Set up time. I'm assuming you do it by pressing right.
Of course,
It
you
is-
said he could get KIG78.
The current time is 6 o'clock, 6:37.
640.
6:40, 6:40.
40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Imagine participating in daylight savings time.
This post was made by Arizona Gang.
Yes,
Shout out to the people living in Arizona.
yes. We are superior to people living in California. But we get FFAs, and we get tours, and we get TOAs, and we get SVAs, and you guys get nothing.
Yeah,
Set
because
time.
PSR actually tones like...
Set up alarm. We do not need to do that. Alert siren. We're going to change that to voice.
Oh, yeah, you know how, like,
County all. We're going to leave it there.
you know
Defeat
how-
siren. We're going to skip this.
About how the Zone Guard
Oh, and that's it.
has the function where you can check what time it ended. The same thing applies with the weather tracker.
Does the Zone Guard Plus do that too?
Yeah, you just access the message, press the menu button, and it'll show what time it'll expire at.
Nice.
Same thing will apply
Oh,
to
the Recon R500 and I forget what other radio I had does that as well.
But yeah, that, my friends, is the unboxing and setup of the Eton Weather Tracker FR800. Subscribe to these lovely people right here. You could do the same intro. Same.
Yeah,
Recon.
the M12.
And EAS Torque 100. I had to unplug my microphone, so now I'm talking without a microphone.
But yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to block that. Sorry, just for copyright purposes, but who cares? But anyway, that's the setup and unboxing of the Eton Weather Tracker. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Sorry if this came out slightly unfocused, but that's it.